Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notepad++ in your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Notepad++ download. Click enter and we're going to click on Downloads Notepad option, and from here we can simply select the right version for our operating system. You can see. So I'm going to go for this one, and here I'm going to click on installer exe. Before that, we have to just close it and make sure that you selected the download 32-bit download ARM6. So make sure you choose this correctly. So I'm going to look for the installer exe file, that one. So you can see the download has been completed. Now click on yes for the permission, and as you can see, everything is all right. So now if you can click OK, click next, I agree, I click next, install, show all details, click install, and now as you can see, your Notepad++ is rightly installed. Here it is. Now if you finish it, and here as you can see, your Notepad++ is rightly opened in your Windows, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Notepad++ in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.